how to use Sweatcoin app for the beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Play Store, and after that you need to open up Sweatcoin app, and after that you need to install it in order to utilize it. Now after installing it and getting it on your device, you need to walk or run in order to earn the coins, and if you invite your friends you would be getting some bonus as well. You can see on the top right hand side corner you would be able to see the balance that you have earned, and after that you can convert this particular balance for the rewards or for the other cryptos or for the money in your bank account. And you can simply convert these sweat coins to different bonus or different offers that are going there. You can also donate it quite easily, and you can also select a particular time in your day when you actually runs, so you would be getting 2 times the bonus for the rewards, and this way you can get more rewards in that particular 20 minutes of your day. Now there will be daily prize draws as well and monthly super draws as well, so just walk and run in order to make most out of this particular application. If you like it, then you can also go with the premium subscription, which will give you some additional benefits like 2x your sweat coins after every 1000 steps you take, and you can earn unlimited sweat coins. There will be some other benefits as well. So this is how this app is going to run and make its way for you to earn the rewards, and that's all about it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.